Hey, you can go. Don't let him
You
set.
got two.
Don't let him
Free
set.
salt. You got one. Just
No around.
one.
No around.
Watch
No
to your
around,
right
Jonathan,
hand.
no around.
Watch.
No around. There you go, Emily, to your right.
Swing!
There you go. Nice job, Ann.
Nice, Ann. Good job,
Get
Ann.
it back out, back around!
To your right, Emily.
Guys, it's all over from
In.
Stay in front of him. Emily in front of him. Close that down.
Hey,
There you go,
split
right
this
there.
up, Emily.
Split
Up.
Nice.
Jake, right shoulder.
Deep, that's working. Keep moving the deep.
Swing!
Swing! Swing! Ayo!
Up.
Rip it.
Watch the swing.
Somebody do something. Ann, get ready. Ann.
That's you, Ann.
Ah, yes, go, Ann.
I'll take credit for that one. Somebody mark it down for me.
Nice job, Ann.
Who's on mark?
Nice job, Ann, and only Ann.
All right, Rain.
Who's here? I said the phone's at 100%.
Ann.
Emily's wide open. Emily's coach. Up! Ah, big smart shit. 1. Now he doesn't get it. 2. 3. 4. Yes,
Nice job, Luke.
patience, guys.
Go ahead.
Find shape. Murr, you're hot. Murr, look, you're hot. Hey! 6.
Waffles!
Let's go, Blue! Stay man! Hey, don't take that.
Catch up, Waffles.
Just close it off.
Inside.
Someone right here.
Inside.
6. Up.
Nice.
Hey, break it up.
Luke, Jake, under.
Hey! Hey, Wobble! See Ann.
Oh.
Yeah, Wayne!
Nice job, Rain. Let's go, Rain.
Yeah, guys, you go to fucking work, baby. That's a pound. A pound a point.
The phone's at 100%.
Yeah.
Nice job, Rain. Nice job.
One more half job. Yeah. Hey, White. Time out, what? Time out, Blue. Hey, that guy can't call him? I'm rostered, baby. Yo, check his waiver. That's why he has to see
Take
you.
water, Blake. Water. Get water, Blake. Come on.
All the way over. They call timeout.
It was on league time. I remember when Gazi threw his first lefty, and now look at him. He can only throw lefty. No, still not breaking. So nice. 6-6. So, let's go heavy here, all right? Not just like, oh, we're making crappy decisions. Feel the wind right now, right? Yeah. Okay. 10 seconds from now, there's going to be no wind, and then 10 seconds later, there'll be wind. That's how it's been playing tonight. Make smart decisions to accommodate that, all right? Let's move the disc early. Let's get it off the line. Out of the center. We've been having much more success when the disc is center. And then we can attack both ways. All right? Usual shit. We got this, guys. So, heavy line. I'm like 155, maybe 160. So Gazi, what I meant was anyone out there play fucking hard.
1 point to half.
Rain on 3. 1, 2, 3. Rain! Yo, we get this. Somebody is running up and tackling Luke with the flags.
I'll tackle Luke. I'll run with the flag while you tackle.
Way around behind the guy, laid out backwards. Like something instead of forward cover.
You have more reaction. I'm really comfortable with saying, hey, come.
Run at a full speed.
Should I stop jumping and everything?
When you're this close, or if you jump to here, it's much slower relative to their throwing speed than if you're here and you jump right? Not even lean, but like full step.
I know I'm consistently forcing my mark to like 8, but I don't know if it's because I'm doing anything right.
Right. It's always hard to say.
Last week when I took the flag and ran around the timeout, Ray was just like, "Are you drunk?" No.
I feel like you need to like drill a little screw in it to hold that paper clip down.
Well, we need to get it off the
Or it just needs to be a smaller marker.
Well,
I tried clipping it to the pole and it popped off. And
Oh, no, I meant like if it was
Where do I
smaller,
tighten
then
that?
it
it's more tight.
was-
Tighter.
I started saying something and I realized what I was saying was dumb.
I'll yell at you. Oops, Emily.
All right, Rain, let's get it, guys. Let's get it.
Just don't block the camera.
Let's go, Rain.
You should have just cleared it.
Hell yeah, Rain.
Waffles isn't on, Dodger's not on. Just clear it on. I'll tell you everybody.
Robbie.
All right, Rain, here it is.
Set it slow.
Guys, here it is. Right now, Rain, right now.
End zone. No end zone. No end zone.
Wait. No way up. Yeah, get him, Mr. Away.
Good job, Brad.
Away.
Zombie. Robbie, that's a zombie. 2. Don't throw any more turnovers.
To gum. Oh, I see you, Kiss.
I need them. I have no clip. You're
All right, Rain, let's get it back now. Just like that. Let's do it again.
That's good. Remain there. Hey. With flat hands. Yeah, that's good. No, I feel that.
They like break away from
Loops.
Prolonged flat hand contact.
And get loud.
Up. No, you're good.
Through the other way. Nice, Zane.
Zane, tight.
Let's go.
Watch those unders. Watch those unders.
Lubes, if you need one, call something.
Too tight.
Up.
Give her second,
In.
Lubes is injured.
Zane.
Nice.
Robbie, lay out.
Hey, good. Let's go, Robbie. You got this, Robbie. Nice. If you need it, Lubes, call it. Right behind.
Oh yeah, Bill.
There we go, good reset.
Why is he playing injured?
All right, keep it up, Rain.
Loops tight.
No rounds.
Nice 2.
Nice.
We need a,
Good effort, Loops.
Stay with him, Robbie. You got this.
get him.
All inside. All
Yeah, Harris, nice cut, Harris.
All
You got
inside.
Blake.
Come on, 2.
Keep cutting, cutters.
Lubes, are you all right? He's limping on the field. Jeez.
Watch the
We
blind.
need handler dump. Dump.
Zane now. Yeah, Loops all the way.
It's not all
Nice
the way.
cut, Chad.
No strike.
Reset.
That's half.